welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have some favorite body care that I have been loving down. Just wanted to bring quickly to this channel my faves and see if you would be interested in some of my faves or trying out some of my faves, or maybe you already know about them and you like, sis, you late, but we love it anyway. So let's get into some of my favorite picks that I have been experiencing in body care. So first, I have to talk about Brown Sugar Babe oils. I need some more, like I really do, and this is perfect pair, and as you all can see, been loving it down. This is so good. When I first got this bottle, I was like, oh my gosh, I thought this was going to be bigger, and it was actually smaller than I thought, but honestly, this is a really good size and it really goes a long way. And so I love this perfect pair, and you all know I love a good pair note, so I would highly recommend. And it lasts and it's projecting. I love it. I love that oil. I love even the way it does my body, the way it fits my body creams. It has been A1, and I have been interested in getting some more in my collection, so I will definitely have to do that, even if it's a birthday gift. Next up, I have been doing something different with my body butters, okay? So I feel like I am either body butter princess, body butter queen. I'm one of the top, okay? I'm in the number. I feel like I have so many body care, body butter products, okay? I am a collector of all things, and one of them is a whole bunch of body cream. So what I have done is I have been more intentional about my body butters and using them, I should say. So I have picked one, any body butter, I pick one, I put it in my bathroom, and I use it until it's gone. I don't move on to something else. I might dibble and dabble in some things, but more so my mind is focused on using the product, okay? And so I finally got to use this vanilla, and this is from Tree Hut. Now, I will say, I feel like now I'm experiencing it, and now I'm like, I don't want it to turn off. It's been so good. So as you can see, yeah, I've been dipping and dabbling, putting my fingers all up in it, but this has been excellent. This vanilla, it goes with everything. It goes with anything and everything that I have ever worn, ever want to wear. And so I'm almost done with this, and I have also been pairing it with this perfect pair, and this has been amazing and really good. Again, this is very moisturizing, so I don't know, I've been kind of not looking at Tree Hut, but I might need to start back looking at them now. If it has the glitter and stuff, I might bypass that. I do have some Tree Hut body butters that have the glitter in it, but this vanilla one was really good. I have really enjoyed it. I have really enjoyed how it has made my body glisten and the moisturization that it has given me. So I have loved it. So wanted to come to the channel and just say, I've been more intentional about using my products. I don't know about you all, but during the summer, with all the travels, all the dips and trips and all the things, I have just been more intentional about using the things that I have instead of piling on and buying more, okay? So that's just been where my journey has been this season. Yours may be different, but for me, I need to use what I got, okay, before I start adding some more. So, moisturizing body wash. You all know I love a moisturizing body wash from Bath & Body Works, and I feel like I wear this every time the summer season comes up. I reach for this. I just talked about this in the perfume form, but this is Saltwater Breeze. So good. Use this on my travel. I love this salty, aquatic type of moisturizing body wash. This is so good, so clean. I feel like it goes with anything and everything that I could wear, perfume wise, like any setting. This is so good. So I would highly recommend this scent profile. So if you like a good, and this has fresh linen, violet leaves, water blossom, and white musk. Okay, so all kind of clean, fresh scent. It's so good. I don't necessarily pair it with the Salt Water Breeze perfume, but it has been a dream in my shower, and it really lasts even outside my shower. I feel like I feel fresh and clean. It's amazing. I love that scent. Love that scent down. Another fresh and clean experience that I've had, and this is actually now my second bottle, and this is the body scrub from Dove. I feel like this is the macadamia and rice milk. I feel like this smells very original, very clean, but in the summer season, that's where I'm trying to be, fresh and clean. So this has been right up my alley. Again, this is a new bottle. This is a new scrub. I just re-upped on this. This is so good. Between this and then the lemon cookie scent from Cookie Crumble or Crumble Cookie that they did. Oh, so good. I've been enjoying both of them. But Dove, I feel like Dove gives me like a soft scrub. So for my sensitive skin girlies out there like myself, I feel like this leaves a more fresh and clean, lasting scent to my body. And so when you do this, when you put this together, I mean, it's just so pleasant. I have really enjoyed using this for my body care. So would highly recommend that you try. And again, it's nothing over the top. It's nothing that you're like, oh, I've never smelled this before. But if you, again, want to smell clean and fresh, like these are some products that I would highly recommend. And last but not least, I use this. I love it. I need a bigger one. I just talked about body butters and not getting any, I know, addiction. But this is so good. Oh my goodness. Delicia Drench. I believe that's how you, this from Sol de Janeiro, the purple one. I have to get a larger one. I am like, there's like almost nothing in here. Like seriously. Yeah. I have to get a larger tub of this. So good. I even love how dense and how heavy this body cream is, right? I have some other Sol de Janeiro body butters and body creams. It's not like this texture. I love this thickness. It actually kind of reminds me of my Palmer's cocoa butter that I have, and how dense and a little bit hard, and you have to like rub it, but that moisturizer really lasts. This lasts, the scent lasts. This is so good. And I have the shower oil of this. It has been amazing, an amazing experience. I would highly recommend this. I would highly recommend just the formulation of this body butter. I love that it's not just that whippy. You know, I don't mind a whippy. Like I feel like Tree Hut Vanilla is more of a whippy body butter. I don't mind a whip, but when I'm looking for some real good moisturizer, really good scent with a really good moisturizer, like this is it. Like this is the texture that I like and love and enjoy. So I would highly recommend you get this, because honey, I'm getting me a bigger bottle. Okay, once vacation is over, that is on my list. I have to re-up, actually probably before vacation, because I want to you know what, I wish they had everything's falling, I'm sorry, but I wish they had like a replacement of this, like for the travel size. I don't know if they do. I would have to look for it. But so you don't have to buy another small one, right, for your travel. But I think I'm gonna get the bigger one, put the bigger one in this smaller one, kind of for a refill, and go about my business. I might end up doing that, but that is so good. The scent is amazing. It's just chef's kiss. I've enjoyed, and Yeah, that is all. So those are the body care products that I have been using and loving. What are some of your favorites that you have been using over this summer season in this month of June? I would love to know some of your picks, okay? Well, fam, make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.